Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. For today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel, where I save up all my packages from the week and we open them so we can see what's new in makeup together, chat about some new releases, do some swatches. So if you guys are ready, I got a bunch of packages here waiting. Let's get started. We're going to dive into is from Derma E. So we have two new products that they just launched. So this one is actually their Sun Protection Mineral Powder. This has SPF 30 in it. So I did receive one of these at Generation Beauty, but I did include it in the giveaway for you guys because I knew that this was going to be in this month's box. So that way I haven't got to try it out yet. But here's what it looks like. So it just has the powder down here at the bottom, and then you have the brush that it's gonna go ahead and come out of. They say that you can use this like on the go if you just need to powder up real quick, but it does have the SPF 30 in it, which is nice. I'm trying, oh, okay, I was like, this seems like a small weird, but it comes down. So once it comes down, that's when your powder's gonna come out of it. So kind of to keep protected, it has this little part here. So that's nice. So I'm excited to try this. It'll be perfect for the summertime. And the next product in here is their Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. I've actually been using this. I partnered with them on a video where I got to preview this last month. So I've been using it every single day. I've been loving it. I've been recommending it to people. I definitely think that this is a really great serum. And over time, it's supposed to help with wrinkles. It's supposed to plump up your skin. So definitely a good find from Derma E, and definitely recommend checking this out. And I'm really excited to try out this. So looking forward to giving this a try and seeing how it works out for me. I definitely think this is very unique and different, so thank you so much to Derma E. Next, I just opened this one from Flirt. So this says Thickums Tinted Fiber Brow Gel. So we have 4 shades available: blonde, light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. And it says that these retail for $18. They are a tinted gel formula that helps define and intensify your brow, thickening microfibers, build volume and dimension. So it says that the brush is easy to get the root to the tip for a flirty, fuller looking defined brow. Fade resistant and last all day. These are cruelty free. So let's see. Okay, so they sent all 4 shades. So I would say I'm probably going to be either the soft brown or the blonde. I don't typically like doing my brows super dark, so I'm gonna assume I'd probably be the soft brown. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I'm really curious about this. I have been loving more brow gels and stuff since I've been growing out my brows. Oh, cool. So it just looks like a normal little spoolie, nothing too crazy. I'm excited to see what this is like and how the formula is, and try it out on my brows. This color looks like it's gonna match pretty well. So I'm excited about this. I was curling my hair this morning. I totally burnt myself on my curling iron. You guys see this? I burn myself, I swear, in the same spot every single time. You would think I would learn to like use gloves or just not burn myself. This poor spot on my hand, I swear, it's the same spot every time. So my hair looks crazy. It's like half curled, half not. So if you guys are noticing that and you think it looks wild, that's what happened. The next box came from Marc Anthony Hair Care. They've been spoiling me lately. So we got another package from them. All right, so this says it's their new styling cocktails. This is super cute. So it's like a little recipe card, and it has each one of the cocktails and it shows what it does for your hair. This is really cool, and I think that these cocktails are super unique. I actually got to see some of them at Generation Beauty and actually got a couple of them as well. So the first one is the Sleek and Straight. What's really cool about these is they actually have a double-ended opener, so you can either use both products out of it or close it and just use one. So they have like 2 sides to it. So this one has glassing lotion and then also a soothing cream. So it's kind of cool. And this next one is the Beach Waves. I haven't tried this one. So this is the volumizing lotion on one side and then the texture cream on the other. I want to smell this. It smells really good. I always love when things have purple on them. I always think they're gonna smell like floral, and it does. It smells really good. Okay, so this is cool. And then the last one in here, this one is the thick and full. This is what I need. So this one has a volumizing cream and then a root lift souffle. So let's smell this one. That smells good too. They both smell really, really good. And yeah, so these are really cool, very unique products. I think that that's a really good idea to have the double-ended cap. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that to where it's like 2 different products in one. So can't wait to try these out. Big thank you to Marc Anthony. The next package came from Octavia Biore. So we have in here the charcoal bar. It says that this deep cleans and gently exfoliates for cleaner pores. I need this. You guys know my pores are huge on my face. So this is like a little bar soap that you can use. And then also in here, this is their self-heating 1-minute mask, and it's meant to purify your pores. I don't think I've ever tried like a heating mask. This sounds really cool. I can't wait to try it out. It says that you only leave it on for 1 minute. Is that right? I think it says 1 minute. That's really cool. I love fast masks because a lot of masks, you know, you gotta leave on for 20 minutes. They're just a little time consuming. And then lastly in here we have the charcoal pore strips. I love these. I've been using them for a long time. And I really, really like them. They definitely help with the pores on your face and your nose and help reduce oil. These are really, really good. My husband uses them as well. I kind of think it's really satisfying also to like see the gunk that you get out, like, cause I'm weird like that. So these are definitely gonna be awesome for that, and I'm excited about these other products. Thank you to Biore and Octavia for that package. The next box is from MOODMATCHER, and these are their new metallic mood lip colors. They sent me all 6 of the shades, and they actually sent me doubles. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram with them. So what's really cool about these is that they actually adjust to your mood and your skin tone. So these lip colors are gonna be different on everybody, which is really cool and different. So they look really kind of crazy color, like this one here like looks super dark, but when you apply it on me, this one was more of like a mauve-y, purpley pink shade. So it just depends on your skin tone and your body heat and everything like that on what the colors are gonna look like on you, which I think is really cool and different. So I have all 6 of the shades here, and then I also have 6 more that I've been playing with, and they are super, super long wearing, which is really cool. I am gonna be doing a giveaway with them over on my Instagram where I'm gonna be gifting all 6 of these shades away. So make sure you guys are following me on there. If you guys aren't following me already, I do a bunch of giveaways over there as well. This package came from my friends at Perfect365. If you guys do not know what that is, it is actually an app where you guys can discover different makeup artists in your area or different artists online. You can actually virtually try on my makeup looks there as well. If you guys just search me on the app, you can virtually try on looks that I've created. It's actually really, really cool. So they sent over just like a care package this month. So the first thing in here is this TRESTIQUE, I believe I'm saying that right, mini plumping lip balm. I actually met them at Gem Beauty and they were super, super sweet. And this looks really cool. I love their packaging because this is just like the cap of it, but it kind of looks like a lipstick, which is really cute. We also have these products from Katherine. I've actually never tried anything from them before. So this is a natural all over powder. It says that it's called Sienna's powder, I believe. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. Look at how pretty that is. It's kind of got like a design to it. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, it looks pretty actually. Feels really nice. Look how pigmented that is. Holy cow. So let's swatch it and see. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is highly pigmented. Holy moly. It kind of looks like the Amrezy highlight. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I am excited about that one. That's really, really pretty. And then also in here we have a glow recipe. This has a few products from them. A blueberry bounce gentle cleanser. And then it has also this little thing in here. I'm not sure what that is. Let me see what this is here. So this one is a watermelon glow mask. So this is a watermelon sleeping mask. I've actually heard really, really good things about this. So it's like a little sample size. I want to try that out because I've heard amazing things about that and I love watermelon. And then also we have these really cute little jewels. So also in here from Katherine Cosmetics is this eyeliner. And it looks to be really nice. It's like a brown shade. And then it also has a brush on the other end, which is really cool. So there's like a brush that you guys can use to apply it. That's actually really unique. I'm excited to try this brand out. And I am obsessed. This highlighter looks amazing. I am like so excited to try that out. Thank you to my friends at Perfect365. Next box actually just got here right before I started filming, and I'm not sure who it is from. Okay, so this came from Dr. Jart. I'm so excited. So these are their Shake and Shot masks. This is so cool. So they sent over, it looks like 4 different masks. I'm super excited. The packaging on these is so kind of freaky though. Like, can we just say that's like a baby, it looks like? I don't know. It just kind of weirds me out. The packaging is definitely strange. But I've heard really, really good things about these. So we have 4 different ones. So this one here is the Hydro Mask. And it says that this is a hydration mask. And then this one here, this is a firming mask. So this is supposed to firm your skin. And then let's see what this one is. This one is a soothing mask. So a soothing mask. And then the last one is a brightening mask. So I didn't realize there were so many different ones. So these are exciting. So basically what you guys do is you actually just add in, I believe there is inside of here, yeah. So there's like a little packet and you just add it in, and I think you add water. I'm not sure, but I think you add water into it as well, and then you just shake it up like this, and then the mask will be all ready for you, and you just use the spatula to spread it on your face. I've seen these go around and everyone using them. So thank you so much to Dr. Jart. I'm excited. I'm really excited to try these out. Thank you guys. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know which products you guys are most excited about. If you want to see your first impressions with anything, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for being so supportive and so sweet. Thank you for loving these videos and wanting me to continue doing them. I have so much fun with them. Thank you to the brands for being so generous with these packages this week. I hope that you guys will consider subscribing to my channel before you go. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and then on Fridays. I also have 2 different giveaways going on right now on my channel. If you guys want to check those out, I will link them down below for you. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.